Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, what started out as something positive, Aidonia telling the people that they should, wake up and pay more attention to what is taking place worldwide. Now, one fan, one supporter, one well-wisher, because remember, I don't know, I made a statement there. So the person who made this statement to him sound like somebody who was genuinely concerned about Aidonia and his career and what take place with it thus far. The person said, Diddy, you need to wake up and make some good song. You tell the people about wake up. Diddy did not take it well. Diddy, Aidonia, Sonia, the fourth Jedi boss, did not take it well, viewers and subscribers. Diddy response to this comment in particular was as you see on screen. But as I said though, a food for thought. While I say what Diddy that do in statements, there are time and place for everything. Diddy that make a statement about what take place worldwide. So yes, really and truly, he never that talk about nothing pertaining to music in particular. This was about what is taking place worldwide, something of national security. It had nothing to do with the music industry. But then again, I don't know the reason why you have a voice and a platform is because you sing song. A song you sing make me even listen to you, make me even know who you is. A song you sing, and not you create or invent. Use a singer. Somebody will go up on stage and entertain. So one of your fans are saying that what you need to focus on, yes, he must say, what you're saying is true. As a nation, as a people, this is what we should focus on. You, as an artist, he must say, focus for your career and wake up and sing some good song. I guess that struck a nerve. Because when you put out music, imagine you put out music and somebody who claims to be a fan or actually is one of your fans. So they say, yo, that's a playing. You need to stop them type of song. You need to wake up and make some good music. I guess you can feel away. Because you drop song and you probably consider these songs where you drop a good song. I see him drop an entire mixtape it look like. Whole heap of tracks. And the fans that say, yo, well, even if you give it for free, it's not an entire album of me that download. And the fans that say that. Fans that say that. A long time you listen to Aidonia. Remember, Cartel our favorite dancehall artist. At one point in time, we'd have to listen to Aidonia, though. Yeah, we'd have to listen to Aidonia. Even as a youth, I'm here Diddy, because I realized here Diddy was a lyricist. You know what I mean? And it reminded me of the music of me, my father, the music into the 90s artists, then we have the baritone voice, and it represented that style and that energy. But music has evolved. And with the younger artists being dominant in the dancehall space, that baritone voice might not be the voice that people look forward to. The thing with Vybz Kartel is about a million different cadence. People like to say the flow. It's not necessarily the flow, it's the cadence. The way you want the song to go. The energy and the tempo you want the song to carry through. You can allow the engineer to speed up your track, or you can formulate. You can have the flow pattern alongside the cadence of the song to know, say, alright, this is the journey we're going to take the listeners on at this point in time. It's a dancing song. And we are carrying them on a dancing journey. We are bringing them to the event. We are going to make them dance. And then we're going to take them home. And you can do all of that from flow, pattern, cadence, and lyrical content. Aidonia has definitely missed the mark countless times. When I remember Diddy, I say, yo, people now give him enough props. I would have said, you know why people don't give Aidonia enough props? When it was time for Aidonia to step up, him actually stepped down. When people that say, alright, so teach a situation, we are expect Aidonia to become a dominant dancehall artist. Him actually become more of an underground artist than ever. At this point in time, people would have said this. Some people, especially younger fans, newer fans of dancehall music too, they would have said Governor career at this point in time is a giant to Diddy career. In a reality, right now I feel like Diddy want to ask Governor for a feature and I know how to ask him. Because majority they feature them with Aidonia and Governor were Aidonia tracks in which they featured Governor. At this point in time, I feel like the next feature with Diddy and Governor should be a Governor track. We have feature Aidonia. Because at this point in time, tell me the Diddy album. Tell me the name of the Aidonia album. Project Sweat and all these other mixtapes were mixtapes. That's a Trap was a mixtape. Tell me the name of the Aidonia album. Now wait. No Google it, type it up, search it, find it. Nothing. Well, Governor have an album. Humans and Monsters are not the same. Not a mixtape, not an EP, an album. Me the same I make use of the opportunity presented to him, even more than Aidonia. That's the big sentiments. People that say, yo, Governor has made better use of the opportunity presented to him than Aidonia himself. The fans have spoken. The fans have spoken, viewers and subscribers. And when I want to see your Gaza Nation supporters, I want to see your unruly supporters of the six. Wherever I want to say. This has nothing to do with the facts, yo. Him and Alkaline are intense them apart. Yeah, him can't say him not part Alkaline. No. Yeah, him Alkaline are intense them apart. We see the play. Did we see the play after he make a whole heap of songs and references to Alkaline. Not good references neither. Disrespectful references. Now yeah run back him too. Sad to say. Very, very sad to say. As an artist, me that look forward to see dominate the dancehall industry. Not over Vybz Kartel, but just become a dominant force. In our music right now, we see songs that trend and did not update. Even though I would agree with statements being made, I feel like it's intense and I buy views and I say that open and plain. Because I'm gonna see a song for a trend, second, third, and I think that fifth or sixth or something like that, and don't have 300,000 views. We never see a song a trend for so long with less than 300,000 views. No, so something wrong, man. Right now, the Vybz Kartel song we are trend, they over 7 bills. So reach a million. And that's how you expect from a trending track, don't it? You don't expect a song for a trend for 1 week straight and now 500,000 views. Something wrong with that, man. Something wrong this one. You know them do it. I don't know how this was accomplished. But no, sir. Less than 500k and not trend for over 4 days. I have never seen that. I have never, only when I see other, that's why I see other artists that trend. But normally wonder why they play. Because anybody can make a statement about anybody. So people can say the same about Vybz Kartel. But here's the proof. When other artists trend without actually doing the numbers, you can see because their songs are not doing the numbers. And your song can also be uploaded somewhere else. And it won't be a trending track in the local diaspora unless it trends where it is. Or unless it is so big that people out here are listening to that level. Know what I mean? Yeah, because we see international hip hop songs that trend locally. Because some people might say 1 to 10 for trending. It actually extends to all the way to 100. Yeah, the trending list is from 1 to 100. And not from 1 to 10. In reality, it's actually from 1 to 100. So the list is extensive. Whole heap of people, whole heap of content is trending. But the algorithm has categorized it. You have games, you have music, and you have videos and movies and things of that nature. So you might have something like a trend, but it's a music, it's a song. And you know what I mean? It might be different. Categorized. Trending might be a video, whether it be a comedy video or it might be some educational or whatever the case may be. It might be a preview of a movie or forward or something, but it's trending, people are showing attention. Different settings. so. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon as well, viewers and subscribers. Drop a like from the back from like here. The share icon is also there as well. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. Yeah man, be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. However, other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions. Dear viewers and subscribers, comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Yeah man, now move settings fam. And my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love and prosper until the reason again.